Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's the Fly Natural here, and I am back with another video. Welcome to my channel if you are new, and welcome back if you are a returning subscriber. Today's video we are going to talk about loc brushing. So if you watched my last video, my loc update video, I did mention that I was beginning to have a little build up in my hair from lint, and I wasn't sure if that was due to me not wearing my bonnet during the time that I was sick, or if this was something that was accumulating the entire duration of me having my locs. So I did a little bit of research, and I found the best way to kind of combat lint buildup and lint in your hair is by brushing your locs. So I decided to give it a try, and it actually worked. It helped me get out a lot of the lint even some lint that I didn't even know was in my hair. So it really did help. So in today's video, I'm going to go over some of the benefits of loc brushing, as well as give you guys a demonstration. So I know brushing locs, especially Microlocs, is a topic that is somewhat controversial because some people don't see the point of brushing their locs, and other people think that it could be damaging to their locs and so on and so forth. But from my experience of brushing my locs these past couple times, it's actually been quite beneficial. Some of the benefits of it was, one, it actually helped me get out the lint in my hair, and even some of the flakes. I've even noticed that like brushing my locs even helped to get rid of some of the flakes that I had in my hair, and it actually helped reduce frizz in my hair, which kind of threw me off. I wasn't expecting it to do that, but just going down the length of my hair actually reduced a lot of the frizz, and it made my locs appear more uniform, not as frizzy, and it actually gave them a little bit of shine, which I wasn't expecting, but that is a good benefit. It also helps to promote hair growth. Now this one I'm not too sure about, but this is something that I did read, that if you brush, starting at the root, it'll help circulate blood flow, and then it'll actually help your locs grow. Now I'm not too sure about that because I haven't been brushing my locs that long for that theory to be tested. I do not recommend brushing too close to your roots, especially if you do have Microlocs like me. I did brush kind of at the roots at the top of my head, but when it came to the perimeter, I kind of took it down towards like the a little bit underneath my roots, because I didn't want to cause any breakage at those weaker points of my hair. How do you brush your locs? Now for me, the way that I go about brushing my locs is, of course, I start with a soft bristle brush. The soft brush that I have is nothing special. It's just one of my my boyfriend's old brushes, and I just go from the roots in some area and I brush down. I just go down. I don't go up and down like you're brushing loose hair. You just want to go down in the same motion so that you don't cause or create more frizz in your hair, and then that way all of the product that you're trying to get out will just go down. Like all of the buildup and lint and everything will go down as you brush your hair. And then you want to make sure that you hold your hair as you're doing it, especially at the end, so you can hold it so that you make sure that you're getting all of that buildup, lint, or residue, whatever it may be, out of your hair. And when do you loc brush? Now for me, I am almost 2 years loc. I don't consider my locs to be fully mature, but I think they are in their teenage phase. So I tend to brush my locs once every 2 weeks, and I also brush right before it's time for me to wash, so that way I can loosen up anything that's in my hair, and I can get rid of the extra lint buildup and things like that. Now I find that brushing my hair before I wash it is really beneficial, because I notice more of whatever's in my hair tends to come out more because it's been loosened up by that brush. Now the things that I've noticed within my locs after loc brushing is, one, like I said, reduced frizz. I haven't had as much frizz after I started brushing my locs. And then two, the nice shiny shiny-ish look to my locks because it did, you know, make them look more shiny and things like that afterwards. And then the main thing, yes, I have noticed a tremendous difference. Like the lint, I didn't think that I had a problem with lint because I am pretty good at wearing my bonnet, my scarf, or something over my head. But I did notice that after I loc brush and I looked at the bottom of the brush, how much lint and I guess skin flakes or whatever the grossiness may be built up in my locks, I noticed that it has, you know, come out. So brushing my locks has been extremely beneficial to me. As of right now, I haven't noticed any drawbacks to me brushing my locks. And I think this is definitely something that I'm going to keep in my routine, especially for now, because with it being winter and like I wear hats and scarves and things like that, I can get more lint in my hair, and this has definitely been beneficial in helping me keep my lint buildup down. So let me show you a quick demonstration of how I brush my locks. Alright guys, that's all I have for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know down below, have you tried brushing your locks before? What are your thoughts of loc brushing? Do you agree? Do you disagree? Let me know down below. And if you have any questions for me regarding loc brushing, leave them down below as well. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. Peace.